Hello, my name is Dexter Garner. I'm a sales engineer here at Fairwinds, and today we're going to be talking about developer enablement and right-sizing recommendations. So within Insights, we have a ton of awesome FinOps feature set, and one of the primary use cases would be right-sizing your workloads. And so after you've been running your workloads for a period of time and you have the Insights agent collecting data, we'll be able to make recommendations. And as good as coming into the UI is, very frequently we hear we want to empower our teams to self-service and take advantage of these right-sizing recommendations in their daily workflow. So how do we do that? Well, we have a number of first-class integrations. We understand that most teams are using a form of ticketing system, and we have a way of automating right-sizing recommendations when they meet certain thresholds. I'll talk a little bit about that. For this example today, I'm going to use the manual aspect just to show you the workflow, so I don't have to trigger anything. But the construct would be very similar for automating it. And if you want to walk through that, we're always happy to jump on a call with you and your team. So feel free to reach out. So first and foremost, let me go into settings and show you where our integrations live. This particular one, I'm going to be walking through an example with Jira. So you can see here we have Jira installed. If we did not, you would see a little installation or install button here. Click on that, walk through all the authorization aspects, and you should be automatically linked. And then you can jump into action items. A number of ways to get to the right sizing recommendations. Probably the easiest would be to filter by report. Let me go to Prometheus metrics. And let me just walk through memory requests being too high. So I'll just jump into a random one. You can see this Pluto container. We have an augmented memory request here that we would, right size, save money, and probably have a more efficient workload there as well. I'm going to click on these three dots, and you can see here there's a number of resolution actions that you can take on this action item. For this example, I'm going to click create ticket, and you'll see all your integrations there. You could alternatively, I showed you the settings aspect. You could click this manage integration settings, and it would jump there as well. I'm going to click into this Fairwinds 123 Jira that we have, and just simply click create ticket. You can add a number of fields as well. Happy to follow up with documentation or again hopping on a call. And you can see we very quickly interacted with the Jira API, and I can view this ticket. So obviously this is awesome. This is where our team works out of their daily workflow. Developers would be going about their business. They'd log on every morning. They'd see a right sizing recommendation based on hitting a threshold. They can click directly through back into Insights, or they can simply copy and paste the remediation advice based on the ticket. So very straightforward. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Fairwinds. Thanks so much.